Okay, we're over here at my uncle's. There's a lizard. And you all might remember this unit. I set the thermostat up high so it will not come on. And I hope that's unlocked, and if it is, I'm going to go in there and get a startup video of the 06 Rheem Classic 3.5 ton R22 pack unit. These bricks are on here because they told me this thing vibrates like crazy. It's a Rheem Classic series. There's all the data. 3.5 ton R22. Yep, 2006 heat pump. Where can I set the camera? Guess I'm just gonna set it right here. I'm gonna go put on 78. It's on 80, and it's gonna get hot in that house. Of course, that door's locked. Okay, the thermostat, I'll show that to you. It makes 2 clicks. It went click once and then click twice. The second click, it turned the unit on. The thermostat's a total line, and I'm not familiar with total lines because they usually don't make clicks. I set it to 78, and it's actually set to, and it's actually 79 in the house. What model is this thermostat? Here's what it looks like. The model number is it's a 98 model. It is a what it looks like. Where is the model number? Outdoor temperature, LCD, clean filter, cool on. This might be made by Honeywell. Don't think it has auto. What model number is this thing? I don't know what model number it is. Oh, model number, right? The total line. I don't think it's programmable. Thermostat. That's all it says. $78. Oh, 78. Cool on. There's the return. And there's some cheap fiberglass filters. Ugh. What's? Oh, that's nasty. How come? It's got dual return. How the filters look. Oh, they've just been changed. These are 20 by, I don't know. Get up in there and lock. Here we go. The filters are, 20 by 20 by 1. 3.5 ton system. I think a unit's right out this window. Yep, right there. Well, that's pumping out some cold air. Ouch. Okay, I'm gonna cut this off here. Cool.